Hi and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We are in the village of Gt Oakley today. We're going to do a 10-mile loop walk with a fellow YouTuber, and then he and I are going to go for a wild camp later. So do join us.
We're not lost.
Are you sure?
No, we've got the good book.
That's not what I hear.
You're filming it.
Are we lost?
And we're lost. Don't buy this book. Don't use it.
Yeah, I think.
Cross the road and follow the path to the right.
Book of Doom.
Doom! Doom! So that is Bella's paw. That's Bella's paw print there.
Yeah.
And this is
another dog.
Another dog, yeah.
What is it? What is it? Sap.
Yeah, sap, yeah.
What's it good for?
This is probably good for, 'cause it's still malleable. So it's even trickling down here.
Yeah. Cool.
So this is probably good for like a glue.
Can you use it for like an antiseptic?
I'm not sure, it depends what type of tree it is. And I'm not entirely certain what type of tree it is. It's got a red berry.
Annoying. I can't wait to finish this book.
And back out into another field.
No, Beaumont Cum Moze, that's it. After the walk, we went and...
Is that what the map says?
What the map says.
So the book's sort of
We
saying...
skirt around the edge. We come out on the road.
Lost again.
We come up that still house lane.
Educatively, I think they wouldn't have a very hard headbutt, but it'd just be persistent. You know, it'd be like death by repeated headbutting, like boom, 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 and you drop rather than just one big like Mike Tyson, like boom, like that, and you're dead.
this will just be a video of you making all these weird, saying all these weird things.
Like and subscribe.
Where at the end of the video you want to pull a mood in, you've got a bit of tape across your arsehole that says share and subscribe.
That's what I did in my thing that I haven't edited yet.
Get us to 500 subs and he gets his arse out. Don't know. We have to cut so much shit out.
Who says we're going to cut it out?
Just be like, this is a damning report on Tom Outdoors. My subs halve overnight. Like and subscribe.
So that's the walk over. That was 10.5 miles, but probably more like 11 because we took a couple of detours that we weren't quite correlating the map and the directions.
And the book is quite vague.
Yeah.
It's not anyone's favourite book.
Feet hurt. Enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's nice to know that I can walk that far.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how I feel about walking that far with the pack.
Well, we've got to work up to it. Yeah, we want to start doing that. So thank you for joining us. If you like what you saw, do click the like button. If you want to support the channel, do hit the subscribe button. And we look forward to...
Digital call to arms. Audible call to arms. Isn't that what it's called?
Yeah. That was our audible call to arms. So thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.